Last week, our NA Miata started misfiring after our engine bay detail. So we tried troubleshooting by removing the spark plugs and inspecting the spark plug wires. We ended up finding a bunch of water in cylinders 1 and cylinder 4. So we got to work. We started with compressed air just to see how much water was exactly in the spark plug wells. And then we pushed some paper towels, chopsticks, and we used an electric air blower to blow out some of the remaining water. After that, we rolled up some paper towels just to absorb some of the water around the spark plug. After drying for a couple of hours, we decided to replace the spark plugs just in case. The old spark plugs actually didn't look too bad, although they were a little bit dirty, but we just wanted to replace everything just to make sure that there's no further problems. After replacing the spark plugs, we decided to use compressed air just to clean out some of the leads and the wires, and to remove whatever debris that might be trapped inside. We then pressed down each one of the wires just to make sure that it has a complete seal. And this is the final result. Sounds pretty good, runs pretty smooth, and the misfires are gone. Make sure to follow for more.